Oh yeah, what's good Busabout fam? My name is Daniel, I'm 25 years old and living in Sydney. I live for travel, spontaneity, and I love sharing a journey with others. You're going to be joining me in 3 killer spots and I'll be showing you why I'm ready for the Busabout travel experiment. Let's do this. So first up, taking you to Blackwattle Bay, a beautiful location for sunrises, morning runs, and plenty of doggo sightings. I love storytelling, physically and digitally. You best believe your boy was pumped at the very concept of the travel experiment. Let me take you to my second location and show you a travel experiment. You've probably guessed it, we are at Bondi Beach, the most iconic beach in Australia. So I either sit here and enjoy this Aperol spritz, or I go for a swim in some budgie smuggers. Thought you were going to choose it, so here you go. Alright, you asked for it, here we go. And the final spot of today is the one and only Sydney Harbour. Now for Sydney Harbour Bridge and the Opera House. Busabout, I'll catch you on the next adventure.